Sit.
Chief, sit.
I don't sit.
You're disobedient. Sit.
No. Don't ask me to fetch that stick.
Fetch it.
I'm telling you, I don't fetch.
Fetch it. Good boy.
Where'd you get that dog? He looks like me with a pink nose. I come from a 9-dog litter, but they drowned the sisters. My belly feels funny. I've never been offered a puppy snap in my life. I don't even know what they taste like. Okay, I'll try it. This is my new favorite food.